What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Trust Wallet. So for those people who do not know Trust Wallet is basically a digital wallet for storing your cryptocurrency. And it is one of the safest and securest wallet. So if you want to download it, then you guys can easily download it from your Play Store or App Store. With that said, let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's jump into the video, shall we? So the first step is you want to open your Trust Wallet. And after you open it, click on where it says I already have a wallet at the bottom. Now once you do that, click on I have read its terms and service and then click on continue. It basically means you agree to its terms and service. Then enter a new password for your Trust Wallet. And after you create the password for your Trust Wallet account, click on multi-coin wallet. After you do that, where it says phrase over here, you need to enter the 12-word recovery phrase which was given to you when you created your account. If you don't have that 12-word recovery phrase which was given to you when you were creating your account, then basically you guys can't log in into your Trust Wallet again. Basically, your wallet is lost because that's the only way to log in into a Trust Wallet. So if you have that, paste it over here like this and then click on import and you should be able to log in into a Trust Wallet account. And if you don't have that, then I'm sorry, your Trust Wallet account is lost. You can never log in into it again. So yeah, hope you guys understand and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then everybody.